All right, today we're diving into something that's totally changing how we work. We're talking about the big shift from all that manual digital drudgery to truly intelligent automation. This is the world of Zapier and what's called AI orchestration.
So let me ask you this. Does your day ever feel like you're just buried? You know, an endless loop of copying data, flipping between a dozen tabs, and just managing all these tedious little digital chores? Well, that exact feeling, that busy work, is what we're going to tackle today. Okay, think about it like this. On one hand, you've got the before state. That's the manual copy and paste, the hours of just mind-numbing tedium, where your day is driven by this never-ending to-do list. But then, you look at the after. This is where intelligent automation takes over. Things get done in seconds, not hours, and it frees you up to stop just doing tasks and start being strategy-driven. And this isn't some far-off sci-fi thing. It's what you can do right now.
So the big question is, right, how do we get from that frustrating before to that amazing after? Well, it all comes down to finding a smarter way to work. And that's where this really cool concept called AI orchestration comes in.
Here's the best way to picture it. You've got all these amazing apps and AI tools you use every day. You know, your Gmail, your CRM, Slack, maybe even ChatGPT. They're all like incredibly talented musicians, each one great at its own thing. AI orchestration, that's the conductor. It's the thing that gets all those individual musicians to play together in perfect harmony, creating one seamless, beautiful workflow.
Let's make this super real for a second. Okay, imagine a new lead emails you. Now, instead of you doing anything manually, an automation just kicks in. An AI instantly reads the email to figure out if it's a good lead. If it is, boom, the contact info zips right over to your sales CRM. And then, this is the magic part, a personalized reply is drafted for you, just waiting for you to hit send. All of that happens in the blink of an eye. And listen, this isn't just some niche idea. No way. This whole concept is absolutely exploding in popularity. A huge reason for that is the rise of these super powerful, but really easy to use tools that make all this orchestration possible for pretty much anyone.
I mean, we're seeing tools like Zapier at the absolute top of the automation game. And it's not just that they're popular. There is a massive demand for tutorials on how to use them. People are genuinely hungry to learn this stuff because they see how powerful it is. The takeaway here is this is a wave you really don't want to miss.
Okay, so we get the concept, right? Conductor, orchestra. Got it. Now for the really fun part. Let's actually explore what's possible when you put automation into action in all the different parts of your work life.
We're going to start with the place where, let's be honest, a lot of us spend most of our day, the inbox. It can be a huge source of stress, but you know what? It's also perfectly set up for some amazing automation. Just imagine this for a second. You click on one of those email chains that's like 30 messages long, and you instantly get a one-paragraph summary. Or what if draft replies were just ready and waiting for all those common questions you answer over and over? You can even have an automation scan your emails, find the action items, and pop them right into your to-do list. This is literally about reclaiming your time and your sanity.
Next up, social media. For anyone out there managing a brand or even just a personal presence online, you know it's a constant content beast. Well, automation can be your new best friend here. So you publish a new blog post. And what if Zapier automatically drafted a tweet, a LinkedIn post, and a Facebook update for you? It can even analyze the comments on your posts to tell you how people are feeling or help you brainstorm ideas for images for your next post. It's like having a social media manager on call 24/7.
All right, let's zoom out from the individual tasks and look at the bigger picture. How does this stuff apply to your core business operations? Because the impact here can be absolutely enormous.
So we already talked about qualifying leads, but what about this? Automatically transcribing your Zoom calls and then getting a summary with action items sent right to your team. Or how about someone mentions a new task in a Slack message and it just instantly shows up on your project board? This is about building a smart, connected nervous system for your entire business.
So when you put all of this together, you realize it's way more than just another productivity hack. This is about fundamentally redefining your relationship with your work. It's about giving yourself a brand new superpower. And this right here, this is the core idea. We are moving away from an era of digital manual labor to an era of mental leverage. Your value is no longer about how fast you can copy and paste. It's about how well you can think, how well you can strategize, and how you can direct these incredible automations to do the heavy lifting for you.
So as we wrap this up, I'm going to leave you with a question, a challenge really. After seeing everything that's possible, what's that one repetitive, annoying task you do every single day that you could just hand off to an automation? What's the very first thing you will automate? Because answering that question could be the first step to completely changing how you work forever.